everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. Let's check in on NEO. Double top, triggered, went to full target. That is all done. Then a projection. This was a minor mistake. It's not going to change the level that much. I had it anchored to this on the last video. It should have been anchored to that high on 27th. It just moved it down by like 7 cents. But you see that hit the next level. So we finished the double bottom or double top target, rotated back to the rotation zone and a prior Gann level, rotating back down, hitting our next 124.71 target. So that is done. I'm just going to use the next updated targets for the next ones down. So I'm going to pull these off. Now we're coming from that same high to the most recent low. We've rotated back up. If we do break down below, especially below this 123.60 level, we're going to be watching for 121.39. Then we have this pretty big cluster right around 118.45 to 118.68. Right now we're rotating back into the rotation zone. Now this prior support level is now going to be an area of resistance. So see, it was support just above there, support there, then broke through resistance. So this is key resistance lining up at the 127.44. If we do rally through there, upper end is 129, and then we'll have to look at the daily charts for the next bigger levels. So let's switch over to those now. So on the daily chart, the next thing, if we do rally up again, we have the 8, and that's right at that 129 level, and then the next area is really 131 through 133. We don't yet have the rotation zone against it, but it is a tweezer right between the 8 and the 21. So this is a pretty critical area to see which way it's going to really break out. And also look at this. If we break down again, it's 118 level, also the 50-day exponential moving average. So we have a major cluster down there. So if we head lower, watch for a reversal pattern down there. But there's nothing else to really do besides sit on our hands right now and wait for price action to shake out and give us buying opportunities at some point. So over to NEM/XEM. So last time we checked in, then again, this was not a double because it was not reversing a big enough move. So we could only use our Gann level projections, which gave us this next projection point 3924, pretty much catching the low before it moved back up and then retesting that low recently. So now we can update these and pull them over to this most recent point. Should this head lower again, there's no real buying pattern yet. So it's just sit on our hands. That gives us 0.3849 next level to watch for, which looks like it was prior major support, then about this 0.3788 level. If we do rally, we'll be watching for some minor resistance coming in about 0.4052 and then major resistance coming in about 4142 level. Let's switch over to the daily. So we're still against the rotation zone. That's the big challenge we're having. We poke into this 8 sell-off. 8 sell-off, 8 sell-off. Now, it's not selling off as hard. This is forming a really nice area of horizontal consolidation, but the rotation zone's coming down, and that's putting downward pressure on it. So keep that in mind. Now, these levels got changed. Hold on. Let me see if I can get them here. So if they come down again, if we really break lower, we're going to be watching for about 0.33, then about 296. That is if we break below this 0.36. So that's really it. If we rally, there's nothing really to do. So if there's any buying opportunities, keep an eye on where this 8 is and at least move up a stop or take some profits off the table, because this has not been able to sustain anything into the rotation zone right now. So we're just being very patient, not chasing this, not trying to bottom pick, and just wait for it to give us a formation. And until it does, there's nothing else to do. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.